Fix One UI 7 Rock the notification panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down. Here click on this pen icon. After click on this pen icon and you will see click on panel settings. After click on panel setting you will see together and separate is here. So if you want to fix One UI 7 broken notification panel, so if you will select together, click on together, you will see panel setting is set on together. If you want to click on separate, so you will see panel setting is set on separate, so you will select together and separate from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix One UI 7 broke the notification panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.